Hi, this is Julie with Beadaholique, and in this video, I'm going to teach you how to make a very fashionable, fun necklace using some Beadlinx beaded chain. This comes pre-beaded for you, a finished chain necklace, a wonderful chain tassel, and this little TierraCast connector link. This is called the Flora connector link, and it has 3 holes in it. In terms of tools, you're going to need at least 1 pair of chain nose pliers. I have a second one here in case I need it, and a pair of cutters. And like I said, this is really easy to do because we have this pre-made beaded chain here. We have a pre-made necklace chain and a pre-made tassel. So some of the work has already been done for us. Now this is one variety. You see that it's got these lovely Czech glass beads. I just wanted to show you that it is in multiple varieties. Same with this little Flora link as well. You can get it in different finishes. I'm going to be using, however, this chain, and I've got 12 inches of it. And if you notice with this one, it's got larger beads and smaller beads to create some variety. And I have 12 inches. I'm going to look at it because I want to make sure that it has a large link or a small link as the starting point. And since this one already has a large link right here, I'm just going to take off this little extra loop right here. So we got a nice clean loop to start, and I want it to match on the other side as well. So I'm actually going to take this off so I can use it for something else later. So I'm just going to bend that open like a jump ring, take it off, and then I want to find my midway point, which is going to be right here. So I'm going to take off this larger link right here. And what's nice is you can definitely reuse these links. You'll also notice with this project that I am not using any jump rings, and that's because I'm just going to use the links here as a jump ring for myself. Okay, so we've got now 2 lengths of chain, which are equal. And you can definitely do 12 inches, you can do 10, you can do 6, whatever you like. Just make sure you have an equal amount for each side. And you do buy this by the inch, so you can really customize it. Now I have an 18-inch pre-made chain, which has that clasp already attached, which is what I really wanted. I'm going to find the midway point of here, and I am going to cut that link. So I've essentially got now the top part of my necklace already done and assembled. Now I'm just going to build out my design. So let me open this link, slip on the end chain link of my pre-made necklace, close it on up, do the same on the other side. And just slip in that end chain link and close it on up. Okay, so we're building, because I wanted this to be a longer necklace. So now we've got 18 inches here and 12 inches here. So we're already up to a 30-inch necklace. And now I want to hang this right here. And you guessed it, I'm just going to open up this little link, slide on my pretty connector. Close it back up. Do the same to the other side. And for this, you want to open it pretty wide, just because this is a wonderful thick piece of metal. Okay, so now we've got that part done, and that looks actually really nice as is, but I want to add a tassel. And now my choice is, do I actually want to add that little bead there? And I think I do. And I could have done a small one too, but I think I like the large one. Okay, same exact thing. We're just going to connect that right there. Get a good handle on it. Okay, and now you can actually see that the tassel itself has an open jump ring. So if you have your second pair of chain nose handy, you can go ahead and use them at this time, or you could just open this link again at the base. But I want to show you that you do have the option to open the jump ring on the tassel. And we're just going to connect it right there and close it back up. And we're done. So let's see what we've got. So here is our finished 30-inch tassel and beaded chain necklace. And you see how quickly and easy that was to put together. I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial. If you'd like to find the supplies for this project, please do check out Beadaholique.com. All of the supplies are available, as well as some more information about them. And also don't forget, if you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks so much.